But instead of doing this repetitious thing here where we take the same information 4 times, it would make sense that we could use an iterator to sort of make it be more elegant. But before we start making our first block, I would actually like somewhere to park it. And now I would actually make a category. So this is my own category. So instead of them things lying here and there and everywhere, it's much easier to keep track of things if we just make our own category. So I'll call it Turtle Graphics. And then I'll use my initials and say that I now create a new category of blocks. And as you can see, we get this teal color. And it's empty. There are no blocks in it yet. So I will start by making a block, and I would write a square. There are other possibilities. Let's take that later on. But for now, the block is more or less like a folder where you put things into. So what I can do is I can actually move the things that I want to repeat into the square block. I say apply, and then you can see I have now replaced what used to be there with one block that is my own block. So that is actually a very good step forwards, because then you can see it makes it a lot easier to generate your own blocks and do variations of things. If you right click a block, you can see that we can actually duplicate it. So we'll do that later on. And you can also, what's very important, export the block definition, which makes it nice to keep track of where you are. But we'll get back to that. You could also edit it, and that's what we're going to do now. So instead of just dumbly writing it 4 times, I am going to focus on something that is unique. And the unique part is the move and the turn. So what we can do is we can go to the control group, and you'll see further down here, zoom, 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 there is the repeat. Repeat. And if there we go. If I do it the right way, as you can see now, it will engulf the 2 existing blocks into the repeat loop. And I can now say that I only want 4 repetitions. And voila. Apply. Okay. And now you can see there is absolutely no difference whatsoever. Now I have made, and I can say edit again, I have changed my first square block into being something a lot more flexible, because I'm using the repeat loop.